Hi everyone, you all are in Module 1. I'm so happy that you have started this class and that you are moving through this module. Today I wanted to provide you all an opportunity to figure out how you could use our SJCC website to find the course descriptions, which is something that you're gonna be using in one of your assignments for this class. So I wanted to give you an opportunity to show you how you could do that on your own. First things first is you are going to want to visit sjcc.edu as you see up here. So type that into a search engine and then hit enter. This is our newly revamped website. So a lot of things have changed and I am even still trying to learn how to navigate it and find certain things because they've been placed in different areas. But please bear with me and I will try my best to include the links to certain pages that I might want you to visit on the website. But I encourage you to explore it on your own time and to find some things on here that may be useful for you, whether it's for this class or just in general as a student in this college. So the first thing that I want us to do is to visit this academics tab up here because you will need access to our college catalog. So under academics, you will then go to this right here in this purple writing that says academic resources. Next, you're going to go to college catalog and you're going to go ahead and click that. Once you're here, you'll be able to see that you can scroll down and there's actually access to the most recent college catalog that was published, which is 2021 to 2022. We're hoping to get the 2022-2023 sometime soon, and that should be placed here when it's ready to go. However, this is the most updated, so this is the one we will use. As you scroll down, you will find even the descriptors of everything that you can find in the college catalog. The college catalog is an important document that was published by the college with a bunch of information, but also regulations and policies from our college. So that is something that we will be using on and off in this class and why I really wanted to teach you how to access and navigate it. On the right-hand side, you'll see archives for college catalogs from different academic years that were scanned and uploaded. So this becomes useful if you took classes in the past and wanted to know, for example, a course that was no longer available but was published and was used during that academic year. That's just one example, but there's different reasons why a student, a counselor, for example, might need to look at an archive. For the purposes of this class, I just want everyone to access this most recent college catalog. So you could click it. And then once you're here, you're going to see this. This is kind of what our old webpage looked like. So it's still linking to that. And then on this left-hand side, where you see all these tabs, you're going to scroll down all the way to course descriptions. You'll then see some other bullet points, but we're going to click course descriptions again. And then once you're here, you'll see that the courses are alphabetized. So let's say you're looking for a music class. You're going to go to M, and then you're going to go to music. On here, we'll be able to see the descriptions of every single music class that is offered here at San Jose City College. Some of these classes are offered semester by semester. Some of them are offered only in a certain semester, and others are here but maybe haven't been offered in a while. Okay, so for the purposes of the assignment, you'll read later in the class the step-by-step instructions, but I am going to ask you to find a course and give me the course description and look at the course description. Essentially, the course description gives you an opportunity or an insight about what the course is. So for reading Music 20 class piano, It says this course is designed for intermediate pianists to improve technique and interpretabilities. Study and testing materials are drawn from a graduated series of exercises, etudes, and representative piano works. The student will learn how to assess and provide the stylistic nuances and phrasing concepts required for the performance of repertoire work from the Renaissance to the 20th century. The student will learn approaches to improvisation and other creative activities. It'll also give you some other details about the course, but again, we're looking for the course description. So just wanted to provide you that quick sample so that you know how to access the college catalog and how to look for course descriptions. So I hope this was helpful.